In today's data-driven world, understanding your digital audience is the key to unlocking growth and maximizing impact. Businesses need tools that provide actionable insights into user behavior, helping them make smarter decisions. For example, this dashboard does exactly that by analyzing website traffic and conversions based on age segments. At the core of this dashboard is the Sessions by Age segment pie chart, which gives a clear snapshot of traffic contributions by each age group. Gen Z takes the lead with 30.53% of total sessions, followed by Gen X at 27.79%. Baby Boomers and Gen Y contributed 23.16% and 18.7%, respectively. This breakdown helps businesses identify where their audience is most active and adjust their strategies accordingly. What makes this dashboard particularly powerful is its interactivity. For instance, clicking on a specific segment of the pie chart dynamically updates the bar chart above, showing the corresponding tweets and conversions for that age group. Take Gen Z as an example. They may have fewer conversions, but significantly higher tweet activity, indicating strong engagement and potential for growth. This dynamic interaction empowers marketers to craft targeted campaigns tailored to each group's behavior. The Visits by Age segment pie chart further enhances this analysis. It complements the session data by offering insights into how different age groups engage with the website. With Gen Z and Gen X leading in both visits and sessions, businesses can confidently focus their efforts on these segments to maximize conversions and ROI. This dashboard is more than a visualization. It's a strategic tool. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.